Django opinionated. Web frameworks often refer to themselves as opinionated or unopinionated. Opinionated frameworks are those with opinions about the right way to handle any particular task. They often support rapid development in a particular domain, solving problems of a particular type, because the right way to do anything is usually well understood and well documented. However, they can be less flexible at solving problems outside their main domain and tend to offer fewer choices for what components and approaches they can use. Opinionated frameworks, by contrast, have far fewer restrictions on the best way to glue components together to achieve a goal, or even what components should be used. They make it easier for developers to use the most suitable tools to complete a particular task, albeit at the cost that you need to find those components yourself. Django is somewhat opinionated and hence delivers the best of both worlds. It provides a set of components to handle most web development tasks and one or two preferred ways to use them. However, Django's decoupled architecture means that you can usually pick and choose from a number of different options or add support for completely new ones if desired. I'll see you next, and what does Django code look like?